When your customers need you to fix it now, you need parts that fit. You need Motorcraft to get the job done. Customer awareness of in-cabin air quality and their desire to protect themselves from airborne contaminants have grown in recent years. These include allergens such as pollen, dust, and mold, and even viruses and bacteria. Also, more people are concerned about outdoor air quality and frequently monitor changes. Motorcraft micronAir proTect cabin air filters help improve in-cabin air quality in 3 ways. They capture, denature, and on vehicles originally equipped with a carbon filter, they absorb contaminants. The high-filtration media features 4 Biocide-Free and nano-silver ion-free filter layers that capture particles as small as 0.3 microns. That's much smaller than the width of a human hair. Our micronAir proTect cabin air filters also denature allergenic proteins, and they absorb gases and unpleasant odors on vehicles originally equipped with carbon cabin air filters. In lab testing, they retained 95% of allergenic proteins, fine dust particles, and fungal spores greater than 2.5 microns. In lab testing, the Motorcraft micronAir proTect cabin air filters capture 95% of influenza H1N1 virus particles, so your customers and their families can enjoy peace of mind when driving. All Motorcraft micronAir proTect cabin air filters are covered by warranty, with no commercial exclusions. Owners should consult their owner's manual for the recommended service interval for their vehicle. And installers and fleets can also get labor reimbursements up to $150. For parts that help you get the job done, trust Motorcraft.